Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a radial blur effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to create a radial blur effect in Photoshop, we first have to convert our image into a smart object. So to do that, select your background, right click, and then select convert to smart object. So now go to filter, blur, and select radial blur. Over here, set the amount to 30, set the blur method to spin, set the quality to good, and then click on OK. Nice. So now what we do is select the layer mask that it came with. This is the radial blur layer mask. So make sure it's active, select it, and also make sure that your foreground color is set to black. Then select the brush tool. Once you select the brush tool, you can enlarge your brush size. So something like this is okay. Then paint over this area, paint over this left. Then we are good to go. Okay guys, so this is how to easily create a radial blur effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment, and share with others.